These are the Gllysion 10x42 binoculars. I've owned these now for about 5 months, and I wanted to show you how to set them up as well as some of my thoughts about the product. So when you open the box, the things that you will receive obviously are the binoculars, the strap, the phone adapter, a little cleaner cloth for the lenses, the padded carrying case, as well as the instructions. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to attach the tethers to the neck strap, attach the tethers to the binoculars, and then you can adjust the length of the strap so that it's comfortable and that it fits you. Okay, next thing you're going to do, you're going to take the covers off. You're going to see that these eyepieces are down. This is for people who wear glasses or sunglasses. If you do not wear glasses, you're going to twist counterclockwise all the way up so that they are fully extended. If you put on sunglasses, you will twist them down. The next thing you're going to want to do is to adjust the distance between the lenses. So you're just going to hold them up to your eyes and you're going to move this in or out until you see one image. The third thing you are going to do is to adjust the focus. So you're going to either close one eye or you could just keep the cover on one of the lenses, and you're going to adjust the center focus first. So until you see a crisp image, you're just going to turn that. Once that is achieved, you are going to cover up the other lens or close your other eye, and you're going to move this diopter here until you get a clear image. Once that is set, you do not need to touch this anymore. You will just control the focus with the center focus knob. Once those steps are completed, you are ready to use your binoculars. It's got a good grip. This is non-stick. These are partly waterproof, and they weigh just a little bit over a pound. They are 19 ounces. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to set up your phone adapter. The first thing you're going to want to do is figure out which is the main camera on your phone. So just cover up each of the lenses with your finger, and once the screen turns black, you'll know that that's the main camera. So you're going to stick your phone in here. You're going to fit it with this little knob, and you want this part to be right over that main camera. So you can easily move it up and down. You can go side to side, and once you're in the right spot, you just turn it clockwise and then it's locked into place. Once your camera is positioned, you will take your binoculars and stick that part right over the left eyepiece, and then you will be able to see right through the binoculars, and that image will be on your screen. You'll just use that center knob to focus. You can zoom into the picture so that it fills the screen because it will be like a little circle, and then you can take a picture or a video, whatever you want to show. So in the 5 months I've owned these, I've taken them out. I use them primarily for bird watching. I have not had issues that I've seen in the comments. I saw a lot of people talking about things breaking and the focus not working. I haven't experienced that, so I can only speak to my experience. I've only had good results with this product, so that's why I am reviewing it and showing it to you. I've been really happy with these. The image has been crisp, the colors have been good. It's a huge upgrade from like a really basic introductory pair of binoculars. These are great for somebody who's starting off, maybe wants to upgrade from a really basic pair of binoculars. That's what I did. I had like a $30 or $40 pair, and so I wanted to do just a slight upgrade because I'm taking my birding a little bit more seriously than I did. I hope this review was helpful and that I've been able to answer some of your questions. I hope you give this product a try and enjoy it as much as I have. Happy birding!